Hello, and welcome back to our YouTube series, Sudsies Guides for Guests. We hope that you enjoy this presentation on our leather and suede services and find it useful.
6. Return. The restored leather or suede garment is returned to the guest in pristine condition. Sudsies offers free delivery, making it easy and convenient for guests to receive their rejuvenated items. This process ensures that leather and suede garments receive the specialized care they need to look their best and last for years to come. Why choose Sudsies? People with leather and suede garments should trust Sudsies for their care and restoration services for several compelling reasons. 1. Specialized expertise in leather and suede. Leather and suede require specialized knowledge and techniques to ensure they are cleaned and restored without damage. Sudsies has a dedicated team of experts who understand the intricacies of these materials, from dealing with stains to conditioning and restoring the leather's natural luster. Their expertise ensures that your leather and suede items are handled with the utmost care and precision.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful or enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content like this. This gesture means a lot to us and helps us create better videos in the future. Oh, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for being part of the Sudsies community.